Our tunnel systems are designed to fit every operator's need, whether you are a retail operator, convenience store, or car dealer. We know every site has its own specific requirements for a conveyor tunnel system, like required space, throughput, or equipment type. MASH's modular concept is designed with you in mind. After all, a clean car doesn't need to be complicated. Highly configurable, built for volume. Increase your throughput and minimize costs with the M-SD0900Q tunnel. This tunnel is easy to operate with a user-friendly interface, which is compatible with multiple types of conveyors, chemical dosing systems, and entry systems. This robust machine is made of stainless steel to eliminate shakes and corrosion. All controls and motor functions are electric, so you can say goodbye to expensive and dangerous hydraulic leaks. Tunnel car washes are a favorite of business owners and auto dealers looking to handle large volumes of express exterior washing that leave customers with a high-quality wash.